Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device, Fortnite OG. Now, if you're having problems with your Fortnite game, and this is under Epic's, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do right now is launch my Epic Games Launcher. This one right here, and I'll get back to you once it's launched up. So welcome back. Our Epic Games Launcher has just been relaunched, and I have two games actually, Fortnite and Hitman. So let's first focus on Fortnite, and the first method I'm going to teach you right now is basically run Epic or Epic Launcher as admin and change Fortnite's compatibility. To do this, I want you first to close Epic Games Launcher, this one right here, and go to your search bar, this one. Just type in Epic. The first thing you should see is Epic Games Launcher unless you have another game that starts with Epic. Now once you're here, simply click on Open File Location, this button right here, and you'll see these options. Once you see Epic Games Launcher there, another right click, and that being said, another Open File Location. So do this twice so you'll have the main root page of Epic Games Launcher. Once you're here, I want you to simply click on Properties, and you'll see these options. You'll have security, data, compatibility, and so on and so forth. I can simply ask you to click on compatibility here, and make sure you click on run this program as administrator and check the box. Simply click on apply and you should be good to go. Let me just remove this. Now another way for you to do this, the easiest and fastest way is of course removing this one. And since I have Epic Games Launcher on my desktop right now, I can just simply right click and run as administrator right there. That's the fastest way. Now for the second step, I want you to open your Epic Games one more time, and basically this is the library, right? And once you're here, I want you to look for Fortnite and check on those three dots. Click on them and you'll see Manage. I want you to click on it. And then right beside installation, there is this folder icon just beside uninstall. So I want you to simply click on uninstall, or rather, sorry about that, I want you to click on this folder icon. And once you click that, you'll see this pop up. And basically, I want you to click on Fortnite game. So stay with me here, okay? Binaries for the next one. And then for the third one, Win64. You'll open up these files. And you'll see 4 logos with Fortnite. Actually, there is the middle one, which is not actually Fortnite. Basically, this is the Win64 or WinBid64 application. So please disregard this one and focus only on the 4 ones. Now from this one, we're going to change the compatibility for the second step. Of course, the first one is start on the shipping. Right click and click on Properties. And since this process is changing the compatibility, I want you to click on compatibility right there. Now by default, this is going to be ticked out or unchecked. I want you to check on this one and make sure you have Windows 8, the most updated version on the list. And then make sure you click on disable full screen optimizations. And by default, since we tried the first step and you enabled running as program as admin, on this step, I want you to remove it. And that being said, this should be it. Clicking that one, Windows 8, and basically disable full customization. Click on apply, and you should be good to go. Now we just need to apply all of that process on the 3 remaining. So run possibility, Windows 8, and disable full screen function. Make sure administrator is unchecked. Click on apply. Moving on to the third one. Same process. Run this program compatibility. Make sure it's Windows 8. Disable, and then make sure this is unticked. Click on apply. Now for the last one, this is actually the most launcher. So compatibility, make sure you run this program, Windows 8, and basically disable full screen optimizations. And then uncheck run this program as admin if ever you have it unchecked or rather checked. Click on apply, click on OK, and you should be good to go. Now basically you've just changed the compatibility of Fortnite, restart the game, and you should be good to go. Now, for some reason, your problem still persists, you're still having troubles with Fortnite, this second option is going to be clearing Fortnite and Epic cache files. So let me just remove this launcher first. Now, with this one on your search bar, type in run. And you should see this application pop up. Let me just pull it on the middle part. And make sure you type in this exact code. So, %logo, local app data, and %logo. Once you're here, I want you to click on OK. This thing will pop up. Now, I need to ask you to delete 4 folders. Let's start with Epic Games Launcher. Delete this one. Secondly, if you see this action can be completed because folder or a file and it is open in another program, if you see this error, I will ask kindly to remove Epic Games or exit it as it is. And then try this again, and I'm sure it will be deleted at that time. Number 2 of folder being deleted is Epic Games. Don't worry, these folders are gonna be reinstalled back after you played Epic Games. So the third folder is gonna be Virtual Engine, or rather Unreal Engine, these two right here, and Unreal Engine Launcher. So we just deleted 4 folders here. And that basically should fix your problem as of now. Now for some reason still not working on your end right here, let's go on with the last step I can give you, or basically the last resort. So again, once you're inside your library, I want you to click on Fortnite, click on Manage, click on Installation. That folder right there, we're gonna look for Fortnite. So the same process as the second step, we click on Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and we're inside here. Same process again, we're gonna change each one of them for the permission. So with this one, right click, click on properties, and for now, earlier we went to security, right? Or rather compatibility. For now, we're gonna go with security, and you can see these 4 choices here. Make sure you edit each one of them. So starting with the first one, authenticated one, click on edit. Make sure you click full control right there. Moving on with system, full control. Make sure everything is good. This one right here. And right there, users, full control. Basically, we're just making sure everything here has full control. Click on apply. And moving on with the last one, or rather, sorry about that. The second one, same process. Security, click on edit, making sure it has full control right there. Double checking. Perfect. Now, moving on with the third one. This one right here. So, as you can see here, basically the process is perfectly the same. So, I've made sure full control for the first one. System is full control. Administrators has full control. Now for users, I'm gonna go for full control also. Last but not the least, this one right here. Click on properties. Of course, security. Click on edit. So the first one is full control. Second is full control. Same goes with the third one, and last one is, let's make it full control. And basically with that one, we've just fixed Fortnite. And I assure you, you can now restart your computer and start playing again. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys to the next one. Goodbye for now.